Hello everybody, Ali here. For today's video, we printed Halloween models. Before we start, please subscribe our channel. Tell us in a comment section what should we print next time.
Happy Halloween!
All of models that we printed today are designed by Koza, a good friend of mine. He's a great designer. Be sure to check his page on Patreon, and also you can get some of his designs on Cult 3D. This ghost is so cute. It's like he is about to hug you. You can print it in multi-parts and also multi-colors are available.
I'm a cute ghost. Maybe baby ghost.
Have you ever seen a Grim Reaper so cool and cute? See, such a cute rabbit slippers. What's he gonna do? Cut you or torture you? Doesn't matter. He can't hurt you. He's so cute. Well, you can use this pen holder around the Halloween. Such a great idea. Happy Halloween! I will put it on my desktop. Oh, Catrina. Cute or creepy? I don't know. But it's a good decoration for your home. this one. Imagine you put it on your Halloween table. Someone grabs it and suddenly a cat jumps out of it. Oh, crow. I don't like them. But it wouldn't be Halloween without them. They are so unlucky. But this one is real cute. Mask. Of course we need one for the Halloween. Let my daughter try it on.
Happy Halloween!
This eye is bleeding and rotating at the same time. Is it creepy or nice? You tell me. Imagine you have a teddy bear and a ghost together. Nice combination. This one is a good decoration for your table. Great idea. Scarecrow. They used to scare you, but this one amazes you.
His tummy has a tomb.